What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This one's going to be a little bit short. I wanted to do a quick video on the Ozark Trail cooler again. As you can see right here, a viewer of the channel in the comments wrote, it would be cool if you could do a video on the, how long the ice lasts in the cooler. So I am taking this with me on a trip out to the Adirondacks. We're going to pack this thing full and we're going to see how long the ice lasts in this thing. Now, they do say that the type of ice that you put in the cooler itself does matter. They say some ice, lasts longer than others. For me, I'm not going to worry about that as much. I'm just going to get what I can get, and then go ahead and fill that thing up and test it out, see how long it lasts. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed a few things from the store, the last couple of things that I wanted to put in the cooler, and I went ahead and grabbed some ice. Now, there wasn't a whole lot of places that were doing ice at the moment around me that I saw, so I just went ahead and picked some up at McDonald's. McDonald's has something going on right now. I think it's $2, $1.99 for a bag of ice. So I got 3 bags and I went through the drive-thru, picked them up. Okay, so let's go ahead and fill this thing up. And then you can't forget about the hot dogs. As for the fire, and that's going to be the filled up cooler. So that's how she's looking, nice and filled up. Let's see how long it lasts for. Alright, so it has now been 24 hours since I first put ice in. So the ice has melted a little bit. I wanted to melt down so that way I can throw some more stuff in there. Everything is very, very cold. Now, long story short, the cooler works great. The ice lasted about 2 days just with the first fill up. I was putting more in over time, just because I like to keep it packed full. But I would say the initial first amount that I put in lasted 2 days. So this was just with the cheap McDonald's ice. It's not like the highest quality, so if you want it to last longer, I would go with, you know, your grocery store brand or whatever brand that you know works great. And this thing will last a lot longer for you. Now, if you guys want to see me do more videos like this with other ice or another video on the cooler, let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.